In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting prep in Attio. By the end, you'll have a reliable, repeatable way to capture everything you need before a call, right where your team already works. Start by opening Attio and heading to your home view. This is your launchpad for the records you work with every day. For this walkthrough, we'll prepare inside a people record, since most meetings are with specific contacts. The same approach works just as well for other record types, like companies or deals, so you can adapt it to your workflow. Open the People section and find the person you're meeting with. Use search or filters if you have a long list. It's faster and keeps you focused. Once you're on their profile, press the letter N on your keyboard. That shortcut opens a fresh note instantly, so you don't have to hunt for the right button. This is where your meeting prep lives. If you have a meeting prep template, paste or load it into the note now. Templates save time and ensure you don't miss critical details. A solid template usually covers the meeting objective, key questions you want answered, recent context or activity, stakeholders and roles, likely objections or risks, and a planned next step or follow-up. Keeping this structure consistent makes prep faster and reviews clearer for your teammates. As you fill in the note, keep it concise but meaningful. Include just enough context so someone else on your team can read it and understand the plan at a glance. If your workspace uses light formatting, add headers for clarity or quick checkboxes for talking points. The goal is to make the conversation easy to follow when you're live in the meeting. Before you move on, take a moment to double-check your notes. Confirm facts like the meeting objective, the correct company and role information, and any references to previous conversations. Tighten wording, remove duplicates, and make sure your questions are prioritized so you hit the most important ones first. Add a clear descriptive title to your note, like Discovery Call Q2 or Quarterly Review Renewal Prep. Descriptive titles make it easier to find and scan later. Attio saves your note automatically as you type, so there's no publish button to worry about. If anything changes, you can always come back and edit the note by clicking it from the person's timeline. Update it as new information comes in, and your prep stays current right up to the meeting. That's it. Simple, structured, and repeatable. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.